Hi everyone, I'm myself Ajit Kumar Yadav. I am pursuing MBA in Veltech University in Chennai. I have done project in marketing. My topic is to analyze sales and distribution channel of Ready Solar LED Product Private Limited in Chennai. In the field of marketing of distribution indicate routes of pathway through which goods and service flow are moved from producer to consumer. We can define formally the distribution channel as the set of interpreted marketing institutions participating in the marketing activity involved in the movement or the flow of goods or service from the primary producer to the ultimate consumer. All kinds of merchant middlemen such as wholesaler and retailer, all kinds of agent middlemen such as commission agents, factor, broker, warehouse keeper, and so on. Role of channel of distribution in an ever widening market, particularly in consumer goods market. Distribution channels have a distinctive role in the successful implementation of marketing plans and strategy. These channels perform the following marketing function in the machinery of distribution: the searching out of buyers and sellers, contracting, matching goods to the requirements of the market, looking after all physical distribution function, participating activity in the creation and establishment of market for a new product, offering per and after sale service to customers. Objective of study: to identify the efficiency of existing distribution system in LED, to identify the reasons for successfulness of competitor distribution structure, to identify innovative way to increase outlet penetration, to identify the LED product availability in Chennai city. Scope of study: it helps to assess the real opinion and mindset of storekeeper about the distribution level they needed. It marks the distributor to understand the efficiency of existing service providers so that it can create the route for further improvement. It helps to meet the expectation in future in turn that will increase the volume of sales. The study is to analyze the distribution gaps and to overcome the complaints of storekeeper. Research methodology. Objective of research: the main aim of research is to identify the truth which is hidden and which has not been discovered as yet. The objective of carrying out a research is to gain familiarity with a phenomenon or to achieve new insight into it, to portray accurately the characteristic of a particular individual situation or a group, to determine the frequency with which something occurs or with which it is associated with something else. Descriptive research. Descriptive research includes survey and fact-finding inquiries of different kinds. The major purpose of descriptive research is description of state of affairs as it exists as present. The main characteristic of this method are that the researcher has no control over the variables. He can only report what has happened or what is happening.